winds extend outward up to 75 miles. At 4:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cross Creek, near Sika, moving northeast at 5 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hawthorne, Cross Creek, McIntosh, Locusa, and Grove Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern